Welcome everyone, I'm N.R.T. On today's video I'll be doing another unboxing video from one of our channel sponsors, Battery Tender. So we've been working with them for a while now, reviewing products and stuff, and I haven't reviewed one of their battery chargers. I have a bunch of their battery tenders, because that's what they specialize in, and a couple of their jump packs, which I have. Let's see if I can find the one jump pack. I've been using the one jump pack like crazy. See where I put it. This one right here, your 2000 amp jump pack. This thing I've been using like crazy. As you see, it's pretty dirty. Jumping quads, jumping RVs, motorhomes. I mean motorhomes, not RVs. Trucks, tractors, everything. It's been working great. So sent me their 15 amp battery charger and maintainer. So basically, go ahead and open this up. Very nicely packed. They did send me this to review. I'm not being paid, but I didn't pay for this, so. But like I always say on my channel, great products I will promote, and even more great products I will even promote for free. Because a bunch of the companies I work with don't even pay me to promote their products. They just send me products, which, I mean, this I think it's $150, I think, if I remember right. So it's pretty spendy, but yeah. So it's got a very nice display there. Here's your manual. If you're not familiar with these systems and chargers and stuff, I highly recommend you to read the manual. I ain't gonna read the manual because I'm very familiar with these systems. I've been around them years now. I've been a Battery Tender customer for I think 6 years now. I got 7 of their products now. So we got a very nice storage right here for the clamps. A lot of these don't have that, and that's kind of annoying because they just hang down and you end up wrapping them around. You got your 110 power cord here. Very nice. Does it have the little plastic film that's always on these things? Yes, it does. We'll go ahead and take this off. Don't have any fingernails. Just like that. And you got basically, is that like charge button? You got amp selected. You got battery type, you got winter mode, you got power supply. We're gonna go ahead and plug this in, and we're gonna put a battery on it. So I'm gonna take you over to where my battery chargers are, and it's basically right at the end right there. So we'll go over there. See you over there. Okay. So these are where all my battery chargers are. This is a Shoemaker electric battery tender charger. I was charging this quad battery that's fully charged, but I got this on tractor battery below it. That goes in my welder generator, which is right there, that I need to charge. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and I'm going to charge it up. Just standard 110 power. That's what most battery chargers are, battery tenders. Okay, I got that wrong. So here's another one. I thought this was a battery tender, but it's actually a battery charger, so that's a smaller battery charger. Having a problem. Out. Alrighty then. Okay. We have a nice mount to wrap the whole thing around. We'll go ahead and hook this on up. Black goes to minus, that's negative. Red goes plus, that's positive. Just like that. So you can see it's actually, try to block the sun, it's charging. So we'll let that sit like that. And yeah. So I like how it has a long cord. The only downside to this one right here is the cord's a little short, but you can buy adapters or extensions for this and run it out longer, which I think I'm gonna get some, because I like to park quads and tractors and mowers here and charge the battery when they're in here. And I really like if I could bring it all the way over here. I do have it mounted on the wall. I could run an extension cord, but it's just easier if I run the little cord versus the extension cord and the charger and all that over here in this area. But yeah, so huge shout out to Battery Tender for sending that out. And as always, thanks for supporting the channel, Battery Tender. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. I will put a link in the description to Battery Tender's website and to this battery charger. Go check them out. Go tell them I sent you. If you buy it because of me, tell them you bought it because of me. Put N.R.T in the order notes or something like that. And it's a great sunny day out here in the Pacific Northwest. It's quite uncommon for this time of year in February. We're supposed to be cold and snow and rain. We haven't had any snow at all around here, so it's quite weird, but it's what it is. But catch you on the next one. Thanks for all stopping by.